Need to identify phone numbers with iMessage-enabled from a large contact list? iOS iMessage helps detect whether phone numbers are associated with iMessage activation status. It allows businesses to identify iOS blue-tick numbers, filter mobile contact data, and prepare more targeted lists before outreach or campaign planning. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available phone number verification and device detection products. Click Get Started to create a new account or sign into the NumberCheck platform. Before starting the detection task, make sure your account has sufficient credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Return to the product list. Under the mobile phone category, locate iOS iMessage and click Buy Now. Select the country or region that matches the phone numbers in your uploaded list. iOS iMessage detection is supported for countries worldwide. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing the phone numbers you want to check. One phone number per line is recommended. Make sure the numbers use a consistent format and match the selected country or region. Click Start Detection to begin checking whether the uploaded phone numbers have iMessage enabled. The system uses a manual stealth detection mode and does not send real SMS messages to recipients. After the detection task is completed, open the results page to review the task status and results summary. Review the valid results and check which phone numbers are identified as iOS blue-tick numbers. If a number turns blue, it means the phone number has activated iMessage when detection data is available. Click Download to save the complete iOS iMessage detection results for further filtering and analysis. The exported file contains phone numbers identified with iOS blue-tick or iMessage activated status when detection results are available. These results can be used for iOS user segmentation, contact list filtering, customer database cleaning, campaign preparation, and mobile marketing data analysis. By identifying iMessage-enabled phone numbers before outreach, businesses can better understand the iOS composition of their contact lists and prepare more targeted campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more NumberCheck tutorials and phone number verification guides. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking iOS iMessage results today.